Checking if list is a sublist. I need to check if list 1 is a sublist of list 2. True. If every integer in list 2 that is common with list 1 is in the same order of indexes as in list 1. Can anybody help me? Why isn't this working?
An easy way to check if all elements of a list are in other one is converting both to sets. I need to check if list 1 is a sublist to list 2. True. If every integer in list 2 that is common with list 1 is in the same order of indexes as in list 1. Your code isn't working because as soon as a list element in ls1 doesn't occur in ls2 it will return false immediately. This creates two lists that contain only the common elements, but in their original order, and then returns true when they are the same. Edit. A memory-efficient variant.
Another way that we do this is with collections.counter. At L3 Viathan's second answer is the most efficient and fastest way to do it. His second way is faster by an order of magnitude, but I wanted to mention the counter variant because of its prevalence and usage outside of this scenario.
Another easy way is to use list comprehension and use the built-in function all to verify that all items in list 1 are contained in list 2. Example:
B equals sublist and A equals list, then search B by splitting A in lengths of B. E.g.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.